guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make braided salmon. First thing first, we're going to separate the skin from the salmon. So y'all, as y'all can see, this fish was trying to give me a hard time, but I got it. I got it together. Next, we're going to cut down 3 strips. Now we're going to braid our fish. So I'm going to take the 3 pieces I have and fold them over. If you know how to braid, it's similar, but you just basically want to just keep crossing them over and kind of try to make it tight if you can. Now that our fish is braided, we're going to go ahead and start seasoning it, and I'm using some lemon pepper seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, now you're going to use your dried parsley flakes and place it on top for color. And I also had some Omaha steak seasoning. Now this is some good old seasoning, which is a bunch of different spices mixed together, but it made the flavor come out so good. So if you have some Omaha steak seasoning, I would suggest putting some on. Now we're gonna rub all the seasonings into it, make sure it's fully seasoned. Now we're going to squeeze some lime over the top. It smells so good. Sliced up some limes so that way I can stick them inside of the fish and on the side of the fish. It just helps when the steam hits, it helps the aroma get through that fish. So I like to add the limes in there. Now we're going to place our fish in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350, and then I'll be right back to y'all. So this is the final look of my fish. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video, also for liking, commenting, and also subscribing. Also, to all my new subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for subscribing, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. Until next time, you guys, peace.